Let's make cricket ice cream. Yes, you heard me right, cricket. Actual crickets in this ice cream, not cricket that you bloody play, actual crickets. So they're quite umami-ish, the actual protein powder is. If you've ever had mushroom powder, very, very similar. So what I've done is I've come up with a recipe. We've added some miso for the unami as well, and a little bit of nori, some sesame oil, and then with the sweetness, we're using sweet condensed coconut milk, and then we're using almond milk because this is gluten and dairy free. A little bit of xanthan gum gives it a better texture. And this is by Circle Harvest here in Australia, 100% Australian products as well. Absolutely great stuff. I've actually tasted it just on its own and was amazed of how bloody good it is. And then basically, yeah, did I say almond milk? That's in it. And then coconut cream, 600 ml of that. Make sure your mixture is really, really cold and that you pre-cooled your ice cream maker.